Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Rina Liudin and I'm 18 years old. I was born and raised in Barangas, Batarasa, Palawan, a place I am truly proud to call my home because of its natural beauty and the warmth of the community. I came from a loving family. My father is Abdul Said Udin and my mother is Hilda Udin. They have always been my inspiration and my source of strength. Their guidance and support have helped me become the person I am today, and I'm very grateful for that. When it comes to my interests, I enjoy doing things that allow me to both relax and learn. One of my hobbies is cooking because it gives me the chance to be creative while also preparing something that can bring happiness to others. I also love reading as it helps me gain knowledge, discover new perspectives, and even skip into different worlds through stories. And when I have free time, I enjoy watching movies, which for me is not just entertainment, but also a way to learn about different cultures, emotions, and life experiences. As a young individual, I want to continue growing and exploring opportunities that will shape my future. I believe that with determination, respect for others, and a positive mindset, I can achieve my goals and contribute meaningfully to the community and to the people around me. That's a little about myself. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to sharing more with you as we get to know each other better.